Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Team Fortress 2 server. First, what you're going to want to do is right here under the servers, there's a little plus sign here. You click on this create server. Now, there's a bunch of different settings here. Max players, I just set that to 100 because there's actually a maximum of I think 24, so just put that in. You can add a server password for you and your friends to play on. This is the amount of time that each round takes. So I set it to this so it'll basically never run out, or I mean until I'll never be playing for that long. But yeah, this is win limit. It doesn't apply in the map that I use, but I would assume it applies in some of them. And basically there's a list of there's pretty much every map that I play on is on here. So this is my favorite map right here. So let's start, and I'll cut back with you guys when my hello. So as you can see, my server has started up. I am just gonna join Team Blue here. Let's just do this. I'm in offline mode, so none of my regular items are here. But so what you're gonna want to do first is you're gonna want to do cheats 1, and what that does, it basically enables cheats itself. And I don't know exactly why, but I think you have to do this as well. You have to do SV cheats 1. Cheats 1, and then what I do is really, you want to do, after you do those two, you have to do, and then I like to add bots to my server, so I do TF underscore bot underscore add, and then you basically type the amount of bots that you want. So I'm just gonna add, let's add 5 for right now. And if we go check, I believe that, yep, there's bots on my server now. And see, as you saw that scout, he ran off and saved that pyro there. Normally, if you're doing this for the first time, your bots would not go automatically, and that's only because that there's a specific command that the command, what you do, so check to make sure your bots are spawned, and then you press your command key, and it's NAV underscore generate. Now, I'm not going to press this because it literally lags the crap out of any computer device of anything. It's because it's pathfinding the entire map for all the bots, so it takes a while. So I've done that already. But those are, yes, and as you can see, they have full capabilities. And yes, so that's if you want to add bots. And then there's also a few other cool features that I've found out. And well, yes, actually, speaking of the Headless Horseman, Headless Horseman, you can spawn him in, and you can also spawn in tanks from, you can spawn in a bunch of other people. So I'm gonna cut away, and I'm gonna teach you how to do those in a second. So welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to spawn in all of the different characters like the Horseless Headless Horseman, the tank boss from Man vs. Machine. There's a sentry you can spawn in. And yeah, well, let's start with the Headless Horseman. Now, what you're gonna want to type in to do this for any like any character that you want to spawn in, ENT underscore create space, and there has to be a space. And for the Headless Horseman, it's headless underscore hat man. And now I'm not gonna enter that because he would spawn right here, and I accidentally spawned him. Let's see. Yep, there he is. Right where we were a second ago. Let's see if we can. But just to show you that it works, he emerges out of the ground right there. Oh man, he cuts my head off. So, I'm also going to show you the tank, which I believe I've memorized it, but I think I know it. Oh, and yeah, respawn time as well is something else I'm going to show you when I cut away again. Let's see. Well, let's type it in here. So it's, I believe it is ENT underscore create tank underscore boss. Yep, that's it. Now I spawned it in blue spawn, so obviously it's kind of in the wall. These are destructible, however there is no health bar for them, and I believe it also disables the pad here, the exit way. So if I wanted to, actually this can be used as a, now that I think about it, if you want to lock a player in spawn because they're like misbehaving on your server, you can just come in here, you can spawn 2 tanks in the doorways, and you can even put one right here. So then the only way out for them would be, well, there wouldn't be a way out. Yeah, I just got killed by the Headless Horseman. But and then there's also there you can spawn in sentries, which I think it's pretty much the same thing as the tank. It should be, but I think it kills everyone, I think, but I haven't really looked into it. Create sentry underscore gun. Darn it. I don't know. I'll look into that one. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and I'm gonna show you how to make your respawn time 0. So it's actually, there is no respawn delay at all. Okay, so I just reset my server, because everything I spawned in was causing a bunch of lag. So this is what this is what the sentry gun actually is. It's ENT underscore create space OBJ, because the sentry is an object, and then underscore sentry gun as one word. And then, yeah, as you can see, even though it appears as a blue sentry, it still harms me. But I do not know if it... I just spawned 2. It doesn't shoot at the Headless Horse's husband or whatever. I guess it only kills my team. It's kind of stupid. I don't know. I don't know if that's a bug or not. But that's, I mean, I guess that's how you spawn in Sentry. And, I'm just gonna have myself get killed right here. Just to show you the respawn times now. So as you can see right now, there is 1 second. There is a respawn delay. To fix this, it is MP underscore disable underscore respawn underscore time. Now times. Now in parenthesis you have to put a 1, because I don't know why, that's just what it is. And then it should appear down in the left hand corner of my screen there. It says like tags changed, and now if I were to kill myself, I would respawn instantly. There's this screen obviously, but then I just go right here instead of having that like 20-second delay. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, if there's anything else you guys want me to, if you need to know that you want me to tell you about, I'm sure if I don't know it already, I'll search it and tell you guys. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.
No mercy.